So in my last video I said I'll be doing the forex pair sort of trade back test, but that's in my next video because when I went to upload this video that I just uploaded, I realised that YouTube's gone and fucked me over and didn't upload this video. It said like resume or some shit and I deleted file, so I panicked and then I realised, oh shit, I can just retrieve it. I retrieved the bastard and uploaded it. So that's yesterday's video, and I'll just go over quickly what I went over in yesterday's video. Essentially, we're looking on the 1 minute chart, and we're talking about this pattern here, this pattern right here. Now, I want to get your GBP up again just to do it again. So, I'm just talking to me saying, guys, ignore me. Fucking right, oh bastard, get here. Right, so look at this, and look at this, and look at that, and look at that. Tell me you don't see the exact same shit. I know it's naive of me to think that everyone can see it. Very naive. Let me do this. I'll box it. Got that there. Got a stop punt on the bottom. That's bigger than the stop punt on the left. So the right stop punt is bigger than the right stop punt. And the psychological aspect to this is all the people who were long were wiped out here. Then they see price rise like a bitch. Then they think they're missing out on the rise, and then they get in, and it drops straight back down. That is the psychology of this pattern. That's the psychology of the markets, but just this pattern in general, that is what it is. So I'll draw it on Bitcoin. So you got the box here. You got the right stop punt bigger than the left stop punt. Stop all the cunts out. Now remember, the one on the Euro GBP is the hour chart. This is a 1 minute chart. This happened in a day. This is a day's trading. This is a few weeks trading. 2 weeks trading actually. Oh, let's go to the bottom of the pattern. Actually, it's fucking 3 weeks. It's a full fucking month that this pattern here. But obviously it's a 1 minute chart, so it happened a lot quicker on Bitcoin. So anyway, people still can't see it. It did a big rise on both. Did 3 pumps up as well. I'll get into that in a sec. It did it in three shoves up. Oh, I'll go into the Bitcoin one. Got 1, 2, 3. The third one's the biggest push. Level 3 is always the biggest, and 3 pins to the high. Oh. Oh. Right. 1, 2, 3. Now level 1 were the biggest on this one, and that's because the stop punt were a lot deeper in this pattern. See, I wiped all the guys out before the pattern. Why the fuck is he doing that? It wiped all the guys out in this whole area here. Everyone who was short here. That's a 20 pip stop punt. So people using the BTMM strategy would have caught that. Definitely, no doubt in my mind that the people using BTMM was waiting for that to happen, essentially. But yeah, in Bitcoin, it didn't wipe the guys out in Asia. It kept the volume trapped in Asia, shoved it up, made the guys in Asia shit themselves. Everyone got stopped out. Everyone wanted to commit to the long side. Dropped down. New York stop punt up. New York dropped. Now same thing happened here. It rose 3 times. Did 3 pins to the high. Then did 3 drop levels. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. It did 1, 2, 3. See, it always differs. The stop ones on Euro are more big, if I'm honest. That's different, to be fair. The crypto stop ones are normally bigger, but this is the 1 minute chart also. So I just wanted to demonstrate how the same shit happens. Let's get the fuck off that. Yeah, so we're talking Bitcoin. So I haven't done anything interesting today, so it don't really. Well, yesterday when it were interesting, very interesting yesterday. So today, this weekend, you shouldn't trade weekends. There's no volume to trade it on. There's no market makers are trading, so why should you be trading? You trade in line with them when there's nothing to trade in line with, because there's no market maker on. They'll have his bots on building orders for next week, sure, but that's it. So today the Asian session brought it up. There was no Asian session. The Asia didn't open. Just all the retail traders in Asia came in. London did nothing, kept it all flat, to be fair. And what they're doing now is they've stopped everyone out in the session at the start of New York. And it's either going to drop to the day tracer, which is this blue thing here. Or this could just be a stop one. It's either fucking one, but we don't know yet. So there's another thing I want to go over. This is the order book for Bitcoin. So essentially, this is essentially the line chart. I'll go back. This is essentially that on the 1 minute. This is what the market makers are looking at. They ain't looking at candlesticks, market makers. They're looking at the line chart. Let's get it to a line chart. Yeah, they're looking at this. And when they're on duty, they'll have this open. And they'll be like, right, where's the money at? Right, so there's interest at Bitcoin at 38.6. There's interest at Bitcoin at 38.5. Interest at Bitcoin at 38.45. There's 300 Bitcoin in that zone. That's like 15 mil right there. And if you look on the sell side, no one's looking to sell the Bitcoins. Everyone wants to buy it. No one wants to sell it. You get me? People want to sell it at 55k, which is interesting, because that's the let's go onto the chart and let's take a look at where 55k. That'll be an important point. It'll be at a swing high point where people are expecting a retrace off it. Where's 55? 55, right here. So people wanting to send. That could be a. They're waiting for it to come up to the liquidity pool at 55. Right there. There's a big, fat, juicy liquidity pool right there. And they're waiting for it to come to it. And they want to take some profit, I guess, from maybe the sold at the bottom, maybe the bought at the top, or one out. Who the fuck knows? But there's interest in Bitcoin up here. 55k. 51 to 50k. There's interest as well. But it doesn't show that on the book map. Now, this could be complete bullshit. That could be a spoof order. Meaning it could get to 54k and the bot just takes it off. But there's big interest at Bitcoin at 30k. That's like 40 mil, I think. No, 3 times 5 is 50. That's like 18 mil. Well off. But yeah, this is a book map, and you can just see where the liquidity is. This is what the market maker's looking at, saying, right, where can I get the money? Where's the money at? At the minute, money's at 39.1 and 39.3 and 38.6. So it could come down, snatch these guys up, and move up, or it could just snatch all these guys up and then move down. Anything can happen essentially. They could snatch all these guys up, move higher, get all these guys, trap them short. But yeah, this is very interesting to look at. If you haven't got it, it's called Bookmap, and you can pretty much just see where the liquidity is at. And not much is happening at the minute. It's a Saturday, guys. There's no happening. Like, these order books would be a lot more. There'd be hundreds upon hundreds of Bitcoin in each direction, but it's a weekend. No one's trading. No one wants to trade on a shitting weekend. So yeah, let's get back into Bitcoin. That's the wrong page. Here we are. Bitcoin. So what we expecting? Now I'm still expecting a W or a stop hunt, then a W. My bias is to the upside at the minute, not because Bitcoin's bullish. It's not. No, it's because we're in level 1 from a peak formation. I want to see level 2. And until we break the peak formation, I ain't wanting to look at this going down yet. But if it does, it's probably going to come to 36. And then, as we just saw, there's loads of money wanting to snatch Bitcoin up at 30k. Now, where's the next selling inch? Look, no one wants to sell the Bitcoin, but the order books could be different on Monday. So we'll just have to see what happens on Monday. But yeah, there's loads of buying, essentially no selling. The red bits are the thick bits, and the light blue bits are like shit bits. Like they can just get snatched up easily. So yeah, that's Bitcoin today. Let's go over ETH. Same shit in it. Yeah, same shit. Yeah, same shit. Dot. What we saying? I like Dot. It trades a lot more fluently. Like, I do like that pattern. I like that pattern a lot. Unless Dot breaks down here, I don't want to see it shouldn't be going any lower. Unless it breaks down to there, it shouldn't be going any lower. But it's a weekend. If anything can happen. But if Bitcoin were to do what Sugar was to do, you should see a pattern here and rise. Look at that. That. I'll stop hunting in a minute. It's down at the daily low. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, look at them candles. They're fucking dirty. They're illiquid candles. Just small ass candles. Let's have a look at the spread. What's the spread doing? Wow, that spread is wide. 5k spread. What the fuck? Right, well, you can hear me parrot is fucking going off for one. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. But next video is I'm gonna be back testing and going through GU and EU, which is GBP USD and Euro USD. So I'm gonna be going through both them pairs and just trying to get everyone's mind wrapped around the level 3 and where you could actually take a trade and what the signal is for taking a trade. Because you can draw all the levels out and shit, but you need to know where to enter. Yeah, he's going on a tangent. I'm going to end it here, guys. See you in the next video. It'll be out soon. Ish.